Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Mama Wi's Kitchen cooking series. Today I'm going to show you how to make broiled curry pollock. This one is a very pretty easy recipe and I'm sure you are going to love it. So this recipe I used 7 pollock fillet, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 3 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 teaspoons curry powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and the bell just right beside it so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. So guys, let's get started. First things first, we're gonna start making the marinade for the fish. Here in the bowl I have honey. We're gonna mix it with Dijon mustard and lemon juice, then give it a good mix. Next to the honey mixture, we're gonna add curry powder, salt, and black pepper and mix well. Once all that is mixed up, we're gonna set aside and move on to work on the pollock fillet. Now pat dry the pollock fillet with a paper towel. Using a pastry brush, we're gonna spread the honey mixture on the fish. Then we're gonna let it stand for 15 minutes before broiling it. After 15 minutes, broil 4 inches from heat for about 10 minutes or until fish flakes easily with a fork. Do not turn the fish. After 10 minutes, the fish is done. I like to take the juices and spread on the fish to help it to get soft. The full detailed measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below. Make sure you check it, okay? Now it's time to serve our delicious pollock. I serve mine with rice and cinnamon butternut squash. One thing I like about pollock fish, it's mild, delicate fish with a slightly coarse texture with large flakes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, like the video, it makes me happy. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.